Welcome to 1517 Forrester Street. No. Welcome to 1517 Forrester Ave. Wait a minute, are you recording? I'm not ready. Hi, and welcome to 1517 Forrester Avenue here on the southeast side of Grand Rapids. This beautiful brick exterior ranch-style home is literally 30 seconds away from your nearest Meijer and gives you access to everything that 28th Street has to offer. And let me tell you, this house is literally to die for. It features 3 large bedrooms, 1.5 baths, a large front and backyard with a huge deck in the back, and let me tell you, my favorite part is the sunroom. Let's check it out. Check out the sunroom, I told you it was super cute. Anyways, let's check out the rest of the house. The 3 spacious bedrooms feature hardwood floors throughout. The master bedroom has a beautiful closet and a nice view of the big backyard. All of the bedrooms are completely susceptible for all of your wants and needs as a home buyer. Conveniently located right next to those bedrooms is the renovated full bath. This bathroom was designed for an exquisite, rustic, and minimalistic look, ready for its next owner. Next, we have 2 main living spaces, one containing a fireplace and the back one containing lots of windows for lots of natural sunlight to come through. In the kitchen, we have all of the space that you need to host any dinners, parties, or get-togethers. Off of the kitchen, we have a nice laundry room with a half bath and brand new washer and dryer. That brings us right back to the sunroom. After all, what are you waiting for?